Process in material handling system. 1. Picking up the load, transporting the load, setting the load down. It is said that the best handling is the least handling. Type of load handled by MHS, that is material handling system. 1. Bulk loads. It consists of large number of homogeneous particles or lump of any material. Example: coal, mineral ore, sand, stone. 2. Unit load. It rigid single mass, handled and transported as one piece. Example: machines, box, containers. The process of converting bulk load into a unit load by using containers is known as containerization. Material handling equipments. Process of material handling equipment is constant load transfer. Location of material handling equipments are factories, plants, construction site, mines, sports, storage, and canteen. Material handling equipment can move bulk or unit loads. Direction of material handling equipment are vertical, horizontal, or inclined. Distance travel by material handling equipment is 10 hundredths of meters. Guidelines in selection of material handling equipments are: 1. Direction of load travel. 2. Length of load travel. 3. Types and properties of load to be handled. 4. Required load moving capacity. 5. Characteristics of production process. 6. Methods of stacking loads. 7. Local conditions. 8. Initial and operation cost. Objectives of material handling systems. 1. Accuracy in transporting loads to destinations. 2. Precision in picking up of loads. 3. Transporting loads in scheduled time. 4. Transporting loads in required times. 5. Transporting loads without damage. 6. Automation with minimum manpower. 7. Low initial and operational cost. 8. Simplicity and easy maintenance. 9. Operational safety. Material handling equipments are 3 types. 1. Hosting equipments. 2. Surface and overhead equipments. 3. Conveyor or conveying equipments. Hosting equipments are 3 types: hosting machine, cranes, elevator. Example of hosting machines are jacks, pulley, portable hand host, portable power operated host, traveling power operated host, etc. Example of cranes are jeep cranes with rotary pillar, secondary cranes with tumble telescope tower cranes, EOT cranes, gantry cranes, etc. Various types of elevators are cage elevators, vertical skip elevators, manually propelled stacker, etc. Surface and overhead equipments are trackle trackers, narrow gauge car, overhead trackle system, etc. The various types of conveyors are flat belt conveyors, target belt conveyors, blanket belt conveyors, chain conveyors, apron conveyors, etc. Hosting equipment is group of device with lifting gears, mainly used for unit loads. It is used for vertical as well as horizontal direction material moving. Types of hosting equipments are: 1. Hosting machines. 2. Cranes. 3. Elevators. Example of hosting machines are jacks, chain pulleys, rope pulleys, portable hand host, etc. Example of cranes are wall jeep cranes, stationary jeep cranes with rotary pillars, traveling cantilever wall cranes, electrically operated overheated traveling cranes, etc. Examples of elevators are cage elevators, vertical skip elevators, manually propelled stacker, etc. The picture shows The portable jeep cranes at the left and electrically overhead traveling cranes at right. This is hosting arrangement which is shown in this picture. This is bucket elevator. The types of conveyors are 1. Flat bell conveyors, 2. Target bell conveyors, 3. Blanket bell conveyors, 4. Oven wire bell conveyors, 5. Chain conveyors, 6. Apron conveyors, 7. Screw conveyors. This picture shows flat belt and target bell conveyors. The flat bell conveyor at the top and the target bell conveyor at the bottom. This is 3 idler target bell conveyor. This is 5 idler target bell conveyor. Advantages of flat bell conveyors are operated over long distance, high material handling capacity, low frictional characteristics, light in weight and simple construction, minimum maintenance required. The advantages of target bell conveyors are the width of flat bell conveyor has limited volume carrying capacity. By giving through shape to the belt by means of idler, the volume carrying capacity can be increased. Nylon and polyester belts are used for target bell conveyors. Generally, there are 3 idler type or 5 idler type target bell conveyor. This is the picture of 3 idler type target bell conveyor. This is the blanket bell conveyor. The blanket bell conveyor is used for high inclination. The blanket bell conveyor can be used for inclination more than 35 degrees. If inclination is more than material with side down, in such case blanket bell conveyor is used. It consists of main bell conveyor and auxiliary conveyor. Belt slope varies between 45 to 60 degrees. This picture shows the oven wire bell conveyor. This conveyor is used in ovens, quenching baths, washing plants, drying plants. This conveyor is constructed using stainless steel and mild steel wire. This is chain conveyor, where chain is used as a conveyor. This is screw conveyor. This conveyor is used to transfer hot materials. The screw conveyor can carry hot as well as wet materials. They can transport the material from fine powder to animal fats, coal to slurry, etc. This picture shows the apron conveyors. This type of conveyors are used constructed of series of parallel index roller chains running on the track supported by the frame. This conveyor usually handles heavy, large lump, abrasive and hot materials. The requirements of good belts are 1. Adequate strength, 2. Good longitudinals and lateral flexibilities, 3. High wear resistance, 4. Freedom from ply separation, 5. Low elastic and permanent elongation, 6. Low water absorption, 7. Least affected by moisture. Components of conveyor belts. 1. Carcass. It is body of belt and take care of all the forces acting on it. The example of carcass are textile fabric carcass and steel rod carcass. The another component is rubber covers. Types of conveyor belts. 1. Fabric ply belts. 2. Steel cord belts. Fabric ply belt consists of carcass of cotton, polyester, rayon polyamide, etc. Belt thickness ranges from 5 mm to 10 mm on higher side. On lower side from 2 to 5 mm with number of plies 3 to 12. Can operated by small pulleys. Steel cord thickness varies from 5 to 10 mm on higher side and lower side from 2 to 5 mm. This picture shows the fabric ply belts and steel cord belts. Conveyor pulleys. A conveyor arrangement uses following types of pulleys. 1. Driving pulleys, that is head and tail pulleys. 2. Snoop pulleys. 3. Idlers. Types of driving and tail pulleys are 1. Crown face type pulley. 2. Wing type pulley. In case of wing type pulley, lagging increase the friction efficient. The function of snoop pulleys is to change the direction of the belt for various reasons, like it increase the angle of lap on drive and tail pulleys, facilitating the loading and unloading operation, etc. The idler used for 1. To support conveyor belt along with load on upper run. 2. To support belt on lower run. 3. To support the belt at loading point with minimum wear. 4. To align belt on pulleys. 5. To give taut profile to belt. 6. To change the shape of run from taut to flat. This picture shows the roller type idler with ball bearing. This idler is used for light duty application. This picture shows the roller type idler with roller bearing. This is used for heavy duty application. Another type is rubber cover idler. It has thin rubber slip, is provided to avoid the abrasive in case of downside of the drive where dirt is present. This picture shows the impact idler, disc type idler and spring type idler. This is belt take-up device. Screw type take-up used to maintain sufficient tension in belt. This picture shows the vertical gravity type take-up. This picture shows the horizontal type take-up device and winch operated take-up device.